Okay guys, I'm excited to share a quick unboxing for you guys. This week I got a package from Lyons Leather Co and they sent me a bag to share with y'all. They are still having their summer sale. You still hopefully have time to take advantage of the 20% off classic styles, which is almost all the colors except their limited edition cherry and seashell. So those aren't included, but you can also stack my discount code, which is another $15 off. The great thing about these bags is that they're convertible, so they can be worn many different ways. They are handcrafted full grain leather, which makes them super, super gorgeous. I just love the way the leather feels and looks. Vintage style, sort of. And this is the forest green color, which I love. A dark, kind of dramatic green, and that's what we got here. It smells really good. It's very dark and dramatic and kind of a moody green, which I'm so into. This is the queen size. This is their biggest size. I asked for the extended strap because I sometimes like to wear it like very low on my hip. But the great thing, like I said, about these straps is that they can be adjusted. So if I wanted to wear this, like I said, the extended strap on the longest length, technically I guess you could put one snap, but I would probably do two just to make it a little bit more secure. I've never had it come unsnapped, but so that's how long that is on me. That's really long, right? Isn't that color so pretty? So inside, first of all, you have this. The newer ones have this outside pocket, which is a nice slip pocket. Look at that lighter. It's so retro. It reminds me of the lake house I grew up going to, which was all decorated in the 70s. Prints, like lots of cool old wallpaper. Ah, that's gorgeous. So this little slip pocket is where you can put their everyday wallet, which I have, and I should have brought up here, but I was just in a hurry because I was about to go to church. So it's kind of like a little squish, but you can stuff it pretty full because it has that sort of bottom panel that expands out. Ooh. There's also a zipper pocket. Here's where you can put your, like your lipstick, like that. Like this is, like I said, the largest size. It's so pretty. I really love this color. All right, I'm gonna show you a couple ways that you can wear this bag. Of course, like I said, that's the longest crossbody way. If you wanted to wear it more like a swing, like just like a regular shoulder bag, I guess. I would maybe do it like that long and then just carry it. Okay, and then of course you can do crossbody shorter, like kind of like that. It's a little big for that, but honestly, it's not so bad, especially if you're, going shopping and then you can just reach in and grab like your wallet, like almost like without looking. But I would probably do it more like that. Of course, you could wear it more on the back, and I have done that before when I just want it out of the way. The other day, I was having a lot of neck pain, which has nothing to do with this person or any verse, but I have a lot of neck pain at times. And I was shopping, I was wearing it crossbody, and I was like, you know what? Because I would rather have nothing touching my neck, I'm just gonna switch to a fanny pack style for the rest of my shopping trip. And I did it right in the store. I just unsnapped my bag and then I put it around my waist like so. And I just snapped it. And then I'm not gonna do like every single motion. And I just wore it around my waist for the rest of the shopping trip. And it was really comfortable. Like, it was just so nice to have that, all that pressure off of my neck, because my neck was just giving me fits, basically. This is still a very lightweight purse, so if you're wanting something that won't put pressure on your neck, this really isn't uncomfortable from the get-go. It's very, very soft and comfy. So there's that. I am wearing a dress from Not Perfect Linen. I'm actually wearing it because I was trying to decide if I was going to sell it, but I do really love this purple, so I'm probably going to keep it. Yeah, but this is the Queen bee bag from Lyons Leather Co. in forest green. It's 20% off right now, plus you can stick on my coupon code, which I will put on the screen for y'all. And yeah, it's a great sale. It's gonna be gone probably today because I thought it was going yesterday, so grab it while you can.